Are you annoyed with the music sticker that appears when you add a song to your Snapchat story? In this video, I'll show you how to remove the music sticker from your story without losing the added music. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Snapchat app, and then, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to create a story. To do that, I'm going to tap on this icon at the bottom left. And then I'm going to tap and select a random photo from the camera roll. So now I can add music to this story. To do that, let's tap the music icon at the top right. And I'm simply going to select a random song. As you can see, music is now added to the story, and you can also see that music sticker. You can tap on that sticker and move it anywhere, so what you want to do next is simply move this sticker off screen. And now that sticker is out of sight, but you will still be able to keep the music in your Snapchat story. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.